Found one.
Oh.
I got one.
There's more in here too, girls. Lots more in here.
Aha!
An aha moment.
I can't find it.
Oh, just look way over there.
Look over there.
I found one. Gotcha. Found it.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
Oh, gotcha. No! I'm supposed to.
That was Tara had that
Tara
one
had
first.
that one spotted. There's more around.
Mika, look over there.
Mika.
Look over there.
Hmm?
Oh.
Okay. We're going around.
Wow,
here.
Mika's a good finder. And Tara.
This one is a super duper red one with the crack.
Ah.
It's a knife found it.
Good thing you found it.
I have lots of Easter eggs. I always wanted pizza.
Now, Travis,
Huh?
you know how many you hid, right?
Yep.
Because you always know how many you hid and you make sure that's how many are found. Otherwise, they'll start smelling.
Tara, you finding some more?
Yeah.
8 and 9. You know, you got a few more.
Yeah, we got some more to go.
Some
I
more to
can't
go.
find it.
Look
gotta
high
keep
and look
looking.
low.
Come
That's
here, I'm
probably
gonna
just
give
up
you-
there too high for
Come
it.
here, I'm gonna give you.
I see one.
Come here, look, come here, Tara.
Oh, barely reachable. Did you get all the ones in the other room, Tara? Mika? Did you get all the ones in the other? You're a good sister.
That's nice, Mika. Thank you.
This is the one I made.
Oh.
Is that the one you made? All right, cool.
No, I made it. And you maybe got one that I made, Jeremy.
Oh, yeah, we got. What's the door on there?
Is that when it comes again? I'll tell him. This was a very easy Easter egg.
Why?
It was right.
Tara. Look around.
Look, Tara, look for that.
Tara. Look around there somewhere. Ooh, yeah.
What color?
That was a tricky one. I couldn't even find it. But I got it. It's okay.
Let's see. Hmm.
Okay.
I have